Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to get verified NFT Twitter and connect Metamask wallet to a Twitter account on Twitter profile. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So before getting started, make sure to update your Twitter application to the latest version, and without any further delay, let's get started. So then logged into your Twitter account, and in the top right corner you'll be able to see your profile icon or the menu bar. So click on it. As you click on it, a list of options appears on the other half. So from there you need to click on profile. As you click on it, you'll be able to see your profile information, and in the top right corner there is an option as edit profile. Click on it. Now select the crypto wallet from the list of a supported wallet. Since we are connecting Metamask, so then click on Metamask. So Twitter will now generate a verification request message to your wallet address. So you'll be asked to confirm that you hold a private key of your crypto wallet by signing in a transaction. This can also be done with the crypto wallet app or by scanning the QR code on the screen. Once you've connected your wallet, select the supported NFT in your wallet and press done and then save to confirm your choice. Your Twitter profile will now display in a specific hexagon shape that identifies you as an owner of that NFT. In order to view the detail, press your profile picture and then press View Details. From the drop-down menu, click on View NFT Details. And as you click on it, you'll be able to view the information like NFT creator, owner, collection, properties, and much more. So that is how you can get verified NFT Twitter and connect Metamask account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.